shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now?
I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years, no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar. And I can't stop. No, I can't stop.
Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in a fantasy? Where are you now? We won't be imaginary. Where are you now? I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see. Where are you now? I'm not you. No one says we wanna
Look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay and play that Blink-182 song that we beat to death into song. Okay.
We shallow waters never knew what I needed. I'm letting go a deeper dive. Eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing alive. Where are you?
We probably both sit in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like that tattoo on your shoulder, or the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting older.
Where are you now? I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see. Where are you now? I'm not you. No one says we wanna see.
Baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder, pull the sheets right off the corner of that mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older.
Waiting for the time to pass you by. Hope the winds of change will change your mind. I could give 1,000 reasons why, and I know you, and you've got to make it on your own, but we don't have to grow up. We can stay forever young. Living on my sofa, drinking rum and cola underneath the rising sun. to do is wait a second. Your hands on mine. The clock is ticking, so say all you have to do is at letting go. I don't wanna spend the night alone. Guess I need you, and I need to make it on my own, but I don't wanna grow up. We can stay forever young. Living on my sofa, drinking rum and cola underneath the rising sun. I could give a million reasons why, but you're going, and you know that all you have to do is wait a minute. Just take your time. The clock is ticking, so stay. All you have to do is wait a second. Your hands on mine. The clock
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
running out of breath, but I got stamina. Running out, I close my eyes, well, I got stamina.
Ay, I am the truth. Ay, I am the wisdom of the fallen. I'm the youth. Ay, I am the greatest. Ay, this is the proof. Ay, I work hard, pray hard, pay dues. Ay, I transform with pressure. I'm hands-on with effort. I failed twice before. My bounce back was special. Let downs will get you, and the critics will test you. But the strongest survive. Another scar may bless you. I
Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. No, no, no.
Nah.
Don't give up. I won't give up. Don't give up. No, no, no. I'm free.
Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. Too many times, too many times. My love, he makes it feel like nobody else, nobody else. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself, one, don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.